Hey everybody, Caleb Winger here with Bain Walker Equipment. And you know, it definitely feels like we just finished up planting season and we're already talking about fall. But one of the things that we're super excited about for harvest this year is fully integrated row guidance for our 60 series and AF series combines. Before, with our 50 series and before, with the Pro 700, we've had to rely on a third-party row guidance system that was kind of intense to install and not always the cleanest. But this year, everything will be fully integrated. The only thing we need is a row guidance sensor to go on the head and an unlock to go in the monitor. Some of the advantages of this system that we're really looking forward to are it also being combined with the regular auto guidance within the combine. So what does that mean for you as a grower? That means not only are we feeling off of the corn rows, but we're utilizing the auto guidance in the combine. That way when you go through a waterway or you go through a spot that doesn't have any corn, the combine will still keep going. Also, it'll be able to utilize our field swath to where every row is planned out and we're able to see where we need to go before we get there. If you got any questions at all about integrated row guidance for this fall, reach out to your sales team and reach out to your PF staff to get you going and make you happy. Everybody have a great day.